So for number 1, Lynn says, I took the number 8 and then multiplied it by the square of 3. Select all the expressions that equal Lynn's answer. So first things first is that we took the number 8 here and we multiplied it by the square of 3. So the square of 3 here, arrow here, 3 to the power of 2. Remember, square means 3 to the power of 2. And so if we look at this here, which of these expressions are equal to Lynn's answer here? So what we need to realize here is that this is how Lynn's question is set up. Which of these is going to give us an equivalent value? Now, if we solve this here, the first thing that we need to do, just like we should know in PEMDAS here, is that we need to do the exponent first. So the exponent here is 3 to the power of 2, or 3 times 3, which is 9. And then we get to our multiplication piece, which is 8 times 9, which is 72. So right off the bat, we know F is correct here. 8 times 3, if we did the multiplication first and then did to the power of 2, we'd get a much different answer, so we know that E is not correct here. 3 to the power of 2 in parentheses, so if we did parentheses first, which would make us do 3 to the power of 2 first, which is what we're already doing here. So we would get 9 here times 8, which is still 72. So D is correct. 8 times 2 to the power of 3, we know 2 to the power of 3 is not the same as 3 to the power of 2, so that would give us a different answer. 8 times 3 in parentheses to the power of 2, we would get the same thing as E here, 24 to the power of 2, so we know that's not correct. And for letter A here, it's the same thing as D here, but switched around, and because of the commutative property, we know that that's going to give us the same thing. So our answers here are A, D, and